Tanya.
Hi.
Well, we're the Windsor-Detroit Farm Animal Save Group, and we're part of the Worldwide Save Network. There's over 400 chapters worldwide, and we're the Windsor-Detroit Group. And our mission is to be outside of all of the local slaughterhouses to raise awareness to the needless suffering and execution of the billions of farmed animals. We also do vegan outreach, and we're here tabling today, and we also attend the sanctuary events, and we get out amongst the public as much as we can, and just trying to raise awareness and recruit new activists as well. And one of the ways we convert people is through our virtual reality of the life of a farmed pig from birth to death. And now Tanya is going to do the virtual reality, and she's been working up the ability to do this over the last hour, and now she's ready. So let's get her set up.
And then once it's playing, just literally tap that section right there and you can like
Trade showings.
Alright, so it's playing? When you watched the video, how did it make you feel?
It made me not give a shit about making anybody mad, or it made me want to be more active. And I already wanted to be active, but it just, everybody needs to see it. Like, it's hard for us. You
You're
say
right.
it's hard for us. It's not hard for us. Are you kidding me?
You're right.
It's completely, it's so unnecessary. I always say I'm still chubby, okay? There's plenty of food to eat.
No, yeah, you're right.
You know? It's so, and most people just don't know that that's happening.
Yeah, have you ever seen anything like that before?
I live on YouTube.
Okay.
Activism videos.
Do you think it's important for people to see that?
Yes, and I think that it's so easy for people to just, I don't want to see it, I don't want to know,
Yeah,
you know?
it's easy to brush it off, but once you see it, it's, yeah.
I mean, I've seen stuff like that, but I made myself keep watching, because it's important, and I really respect you guys. I'm so glad that I get to meet you guys.
Yeah.
And that I'm going to be working with you guys in the future.
Yeah, we're happy to have you. Thank you for watching the video.
I just made myself keep it on, and I think it's actually a good video because they show the beginning, the baby pigs and the life cycle, such as it is. And I already was active, but I mean, this is why I do what I do, and I try to do the whole vegan in Michigan thing. I try to do it like a positive voice, you know, like
You're doing better than most. You're doing better than most people. Not to compare, but you're doing great. So yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah,
I mean, it just makes you want to be active.
Do more, right?
Too.
Yeah.
It's not enough, you know. The
Do
whole
more.
like, the dog, the guy beating a dog on this road thing. The whole story of that, like where, not just being vegan is not enough. You know, we need to educate other people. And there's nothing better than just this week, I had a friend write to me and say I've inspired her and her family's gone vegan now, and it's like there's nothing like that. But that can't be a one-shot thing. We have to like
you're right.
keep doing it.
Yeah, you're right.
That's why the numbers are growing. That's why this is the biggest Veg Fest that they've ever had, and it keeps growing and stuff. And that's why I'm gonna, be with you guys at some more of your events and stuff.
Yeah.
Because this is what I just saw there is just, and it's not like it's happening. Like it's happened.
It's happening right now, all over the place, and
All over.
that's not what people understand.
Yeah.
So thank you.